at this crazy shit. Holy shit. Damn.
High-speed chase with a crash.
Holy shit.
Psycho in a white Honda CRV exits the freeway, straddles two lanes, kept slowing down below the speed limit, then repeatedly brake checks me before turning off the road to drop his child off. Idiot driver nearly causes accident. Driver lost in their own world. Idiot cuts across the highway to brake check a dump truck. Revenge, brake checking, and dangerous stopping on a 50 mph road. It was crazy to see the guy come out of his truck right in front of the cops. Cop yelled at him to get back in the truck.
understand what it is that I'm feeling. It's pretty simple with me because the issue is so severe. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure there's other things to continue.
Okay.
Distracted truck driver runs red light, clips car. Silver Buick almost merges into me. Twice. The sun this time of year is terrible during my evening commute, but I'm not sure that excuse is running red lights or swerving into the adjacent lane when the light turns green again.
So, how's Carter doing? Oh, you know. Tell you what, if I was rich, I would be in Italy, not
I will hit you.
Reason for it. Yeah, you think there are no hungry kids on the Amalfi Coast?
I will hit you.
Can you write for more people with infected brain?
I will hit you.
Is she
Trust
still
me,
here?
I will
Yep.
hit you.
The surgical bed's all risk boarding there until the OR opens up.
I have no idea what I did to this dude. I was in an exit lane and this car did this.
As much as I enjoy your little rants, I don't have time now. I'm late for a sympathectomy.
Well, then you're going to be even
You
later
got
because I'm permitting
tiny
my
dick.
residents to write orders.
Oh shit, look at this.
Video protected.
94475 Jakes. What's your problem, dude?
What's the problem?
You don't know how to drive?
No, I know drive.
Okay, give me your,
No,
give me your
no,
info
you
then.
seen me.
I hit you. You're the one that went to my lane.
Why
Bro,
you don't say
bro,
nothing with
you
the
got this one and you got this one. So you got there's no argument. There's no argument, brother. Give me your info. Give me your info. I'm gonna call CHP as well.
Which one? What are you talking?
California Highway Patrol.
Okay. Hold on.
Move up a little bit.
The driver tried to blame me for the accident, but the dash cam never lies.
Video protected.
Look at this.
Oh my god. That's just get on the other way. Turn around somewhere, friend.
The best part is this person could have used the cloverleaf to go the direction they intended. Red Light Runner totaled my new Tundra. Their insurance covered it and got a new one. The guy was apologetic and nobody was hurt. Driver doesn't yield and enters lane without concern for others.